welcome back to Lone Star Grills. Today, we're making the ultimate barbecue appetizer. This smoked shotgun shells recipe wraps everything you love together at once. Meat, cheese, bacon, smoke, enough said. And if this doesn't make your mouth water, you might have to check your pulse. We'll start today's recipe with 1.5 pounds of fresh, never frozen 80/20 ground beef. We'll now add 1 teaspoon each of garlic salt, ground black pepper, Italian seasoning, and dried onion. Now 12 ounces of freshly shredded mozzarella cheese. Get in there with those hand mixers and get this all combined well. Important note, you can use a mixture of 50/50 Italian sausage and ground beef. And if you do, just make sure you use a leaner grind of ground beef. And now that this is all combined, it's time to move on to the fun part. For our pasta, we'll be using 15 uncooked Manicotti shells. Now, we're pretty sure that's not how you pronounce it in Italy, but we're not trying to be fancy about how we pronounce it or how we stuff these shells. So leave that piping bag at Grandma's house and just use your fingers. Once they're all stuffed, wrap each one of these with a slice of bacon. Transfer these to a tray with the warming rack and then hit each one generously with our LSG Texas Bold. And be sure to get all sides to maximize flavor. Once they're all seasoned well, it's time to get these in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours up to overnight. This is going to assure the best result and the best texture. For the cook, we'll be using the Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker, the cooker that offers offset quality results with the convenience of a pellet smoker. Preheat to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once fully preheated, get the shotgun shells on, close the lid, and begin cooking. Let these go for exactly 1 hour. That'll give us plenty of time to make sure everything is fully cooked and absorb lots of beautiful smoke. At the 1 hour mark, sauce these up generously with your favorite barbecue sauce. Give them about 15 to 20 more minutes for that sauce to caramelize. Now remove them from the smoker and let them cool for just a few minutes. Then you can serve these up to all those hungry people waiting. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember that if you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.